Welcome to the Open Center for the Characterization of Advanced Materials, or OCCAM. Founded in 2012 with the support of the Canadian Foundation for Innovation, the Ontario Research Fund, and the University of Toronto, OCCAM is a world-class research, training, and technical development resource, providing access to advanced surface analytical and electron microscopy infrastructure, expertise, and service. Leveraging leading-edge infrastructure and technical expertise, facility resources reveal structural, chemical, and electronic details of the bulk, interfaces, and surfaces at length scales from the macro to the atomic. Supporting the programs of more than 200 principal investigators at more than 20 Canadian and international universities, as well as a portfolio of more than 60 companies, OCCAM is a national facility with broad impact and a global footprint. OCCAM's mission is to support and accelerate the research interests of our community, providing high-quality training, and to advance the applications and technologies of measurement. In service of this mission, facility operations are based upon 4 core values: open access to world-class infrastructure and support personnel, collaborative research engagement, experiential training, and a commitment to advancement of analytical instrumentation and methodologies. OCCAM's focus on these values allows the facility to deliver the answers, skills, and innovations demanded by top researchers and companies. OCCAM executes this vision through state-of-the-art instrumentation and research facilities, a team of dedicated expert staff, and strategic partnerships with academics and industry. The facility is located in the Engineering and Sciences District at U of T's St. George campus in downtown Toronto, across nodes in the Department of Chemical Engineering, Department of Material Science and Engineering, and the Department of Chemistry. Dedicated instrumentation rooms, support spaces, sample preparation areas, and offline data analysis and training classrooms yield not only an integrated research space, but also a highly collaborative and cross-disciplinary research and training environment. OCCAM operations are executed by professional staff of 6 researchers with expertise in surface science, electron microscopy, material science, and chemistry. Staff are the key link between user programs, infrastructure and measurements, and impactful results. OCCAM supports research and development across a diverse array of fields, including energy production, harvesting and storage, health and medical sciences, environmental sciences, earth and planetary sciences, resource engineering, and instrumentation and analytical technologies. A critical component of competitive materials-based research programs is access to instrumentation that provides the most detailed and relevant chemical and structural information available. OCCAM meets this need with 14 state-of-the-art surface analytical and electron microscopy instruments, complemented by world-class sample manipulation and dynamic characterization capabilities. An active technical development and renewal program enables infrastructure to constantly evolve to meet user demands. This vibrant cadre of capable and flexible instrumentation, including several nationally unique instruments and capabilities, positions OCCAM as a comprehensive and integrated national resource. OCCAM's Surface Analysis Node is Canada's best-equipped lab for the characterization of surface, near-surface, and interfacial regions. State-of-the-art ultra-high vacuum surface analytical tools, including 3 X-ray photoelectron spectrometers, a time-of-flight secondary ion mass spectrometer, a scanning Auger nanoprobe, and a standalone high-sensitivity, low-energy ion scattering spectrometer, provide elemental, chemical state, and molecular information at surface sensitivities from a few nanometers to the top atomic layer. Many of these tools are customized to offer unique and specialized capabilities. All of the tools are customized, modified, and engineered to enable controlled atom-sphere sample preparation, introduction, and transfer. The facility is also equipped with 2 scanning probe systems, a photothermal infrared atomic force microscope, and a large dynamic range stylus surface profilometer complement the ultra-high vacuum surface analysis instruments. OCCAM's electron microscopy node is comprised of a diverse and complementary set of instruments. Infrastructure includes scanning electron microscopes, transmission electron microscopes, as well as a dual-column focused ion beam system. The facility's complement of 3 scanning electron microscopes includes a tungsten variable pressure SEM, a field emission variable pressure instrument, as well as an ultra-high resolution SEM. Complementary analytical capabilities include integrated energy dispersive X-ray analysis and electron backscatter diffraction systems. Occam has two transmission electron microscopes. The first is a 300 kV cold field emission environmental TEM-STEM system, equipped with an electron energy loss spectrometer. A key capability of this tool is its ability to dynamically characterize samples under perturbation. The system's gas handling system, heating capability, as well as line-of-sight access for perturbing samples in the beam-sample interaction region are critical to many research programs. Occam's second TEM is a 120 kV TEM-STEM tool that is extremely valuable for low-energy characterization of materials. This tool is the core instrument for an ambitious technical program focused on the development of a 4D scanning transmission electron microscopy system. The electron microscopes are complemented by a dual-column focused ion beam system, equipped with both a gallium liquid metal ion source for sample milling, as well as a field emission electron column. This tool serves both as a sample preparation instrument as well as an analytical tool in its own right. One of Occam's operational strengths is advanced sample handling and manipulation. Capabilities include perturbation of samples in situ and during characterization, with possibilities including heating and cooling, gas dosing, photon exposure, and electronic manipulations. Specialized sample transfer devices, many of which were developed locally, enable movement of specimens between analytical instruments under controlled conditions, allowing for multi-technique and correlative characterization. Occam's analytical instrumentation is complemented by a broad array of support infrastructure, with in-house sample coding tools, iron milling, cryo-ultramicrotomy, and targeted sectioning and polishing capabilities. Occam is well positioned to support diverse samples. Occam is an active partner in a network of complementary facilities. Close partnerships with nearby centers, such as the Advanced Metallography Lab and the Walter Kerlock Materials Characterization and Processing Laboratory, as well as external facilities, seamlessly extend sample preparation and characterization capabilities. Occam's physical research and training facilities are complemented by extensive online resources. These include not only a portal for requesting services and booking instrumentation, but also capabilities for synchronous digital participation in data acquisition and training, access to remote data analysis resources, as well as digital training materials. Accessed via the facility website occam.utoronto.ca, these resources are key to engaging and supporting researchers wherever they are with maximum convenience, safety, and security. Occam is a critical part of the Canadian advanced materials landscape, equipped with state-of-the-art instrumentation, novel advanced sample manipulation, handling, and treatment expertise, and a collaborative professional research staff. Occam is an open-access problem-solving institute. Whether working in academia, industry, government, or a not-for-profit center, Occam is here to support your research. Please visit occam.utoronto.ca or email inquiry.occam@utoronto.ca for more details.